Secretariat, can you administer the oath? Since you have someone in HR and someone in administration, maybe the best is maybe you can have all of them take an oath.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I request that I will do everything. If anything will be to support me, I'll speak on everything here.
So there's no need for anyone to support you in the course of the deliberations, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Honorable Chairperson, it's very rare for a person in the position of the Chief Secretary to be so magnanimous and allow to be heard before this honorable committee. Looking at past events where other Chief Secretaries have actually not honored summons before this very honorable committee, I think it's only worthwhile to commend him for that.
By applauding the SPC for appearing before this committee, he has set a very good example, other than those that are abdicating their duties and choosing not to appear before this committee when they are summoned to do the same. However, I wanted to ask the stakeholder, our SPC, that is there anything else that you can assist this committee to ensure that former SPC is brought before this committee so that she explains her side of the story according to this Amaryllis transaction?
If the former SPC was still in government, I would have brought her even now. But she's no longer with government, she's out of government. It should be other organs that can bring her. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Kumbukirani kupanga subscribe to our YouTube channel, Malawi News Daily Updates. Kuti nkhani zochitika ku Malawi samakuponya. Inyo mzikhala munthu yambirira kumva kamene akuonera nkhani zimenezi.